Let's continue taking a look at the syntactical functions of participles, and in particular adverbial participles. Remember that we have said that aside from the indicative mood, which is the most frequent mood in the New Testament, participial verb forms are the second most frequently occurring verb forms in the New Testament. And in particular, adverbial participles are very, very frequent. If you look on page 549 in your grammar, the beginning paragraph, the introductory paragraph here dealing with adverbial participles, tells you that participles, and this is just true for adverbial participles, show the relative time of the action of a participle in relation to the action of a finite verb which the participle is modifying. What that means is that the adverbial participle either is happening at the same time as the action of the verb it is modifying, or the adverbial participle is showing us some action which is happening before or after the action of the verb that it is modifying. If the adverbial participle is a present tense adverbial participle, then what is happening in the adverbial participle, the present tense adverbial participle, is happening at the same time, contemporaneously, to the action of the verb which it is modifying. If the adverbial participle is an aorist tense adverbial participle, then the action expressed in the participle is happening antecedent or before the action of the verb which it is modifying. Keeping this in mind, therefore, if we see an adverbial participle which is present tense, and if that participle then is showing us that the time of the action in that present tense participle is contemporaneous or happening at the same time with the verb that it is modifying, then we could translate that adverbial participle with the English words when, or while, or as, or during. On the other hand, if the adverbial participle is an aorist tense adverbial participle and is showing us action which is antecedent or before the action found in the verb which it is modifying, then we could use words such as after or when in our translation of the participle. Let's see how that takes place.